Yeah, what's Gucci, y'all? This your girl Lele again. Just want to show y'all my new similar basketball wise earrings that I bought today from CT's, aka City Trends. There they go. Bling bling. Yeah, I am a really big fan of gold. I mean, it's like all I buy is gold. Gold necklace, gold rings, gold earrings. Everything gotta be gold. I did see the kind was $5.99 for the real basketball earring. I mean, you think I'm gonna pay $5.99 for some earrings? That's crazy. But yeah. These only cost like $2.99 at City Trends. So if you want to get some that look like these, like I got, just go to City Trends and do what it do, alright? But I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Thanks for watching, and comment at the bottom if you have any comments, whatever. But that's all. God bless. Smooches.